Today I'm going to show you how you can start animation as beginner with a FlipaClip on mobile, of course. So all you have to do right now is download and install this FlipaClip on your phone. I'm using Android version of this app. So this is the demo. For example, let's step one of the demo. So you can use or play or create this animation on this app. The second demo. Here, as you can see, so it's very easy to do, but you have to practice. Let's start new project. Just tap plus a button. Let's name the second one. You can choose background. For this is for select from your gallery or take photo, or you can paint by yourself, or just leave it be a blank space or blank or whiteboard like this, and you can use the canvas here. If you want to upload to YouTube, you can go with 180 pixel here. Let's get back. Choose frame per second. The faster FPS, the faster your frame will be rendered. It's very smooth. So create project here, and this is the blank space. Now you can draw anything in here. This is for example only. So I want to draw, sorry, my bad, not good enough. If you can undo if you think it's not good enough. Here the second is here, for example. The third also. If you want to add a here, I just draw randomly because this is for example. So you can see you can practice this. If you think this is very fast, you can use this project settings. You can change the FPS here, try to lower FPS, save here, and then you can erase. You can draw a lasso, or you can paint here. Try to use the green one. And also this is classic wheel harmony. This like adjustable here, as you can see. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.